Alright guys, so I finally got the cut. This is what it's looking like, yo. Let me use my mirror. Snap. Dang, I can't believe I'm doing this. I've low-key always wanted to make a haircut video like this. Ain't gonna work. Alright. Low 360. That's what it's looking like. My barber saved my life today. Ooh, you see the beard? Man, I was telling people, you cannot have waves without a beard, or at least some kind of facial hair, or else you're gonna look like a little kid. Like, for real, for real. Man, I'm about to go ham. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna go ham. I just bought my my double-sided soft and hard/medium brush. I can't tell which one it is. I hope it doesn't make my scalp bleed. But yeah, I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go for 360s. It's gonna be wall thin and all that stuff. So best believe wave videos are coming soon on this channel. And it's actually kind of funny because years ago I've always wanted to be a YouTube waver, or at least make some wave videos on, you know, YouTube and everything. And I was just never able to do it because I never knew how to edit videos. That you had to have all this crazy technology and all this stuff, and like, I just couldn't get my sides right, you know? It was just extremely hard to get my sides right at that time. All the details regarding waves, you know, I'm good to go. This is crazy, and it's funny because waves is what got me into hair. Like, I started off as a waver, you know, before I started growing out my hair and everything, learning how to wall, connections, shower brush method, all that stuff. All that stuff helped prepare me to get me to where I am right now, so I'm really hyped. All right, here's the last 360. As y'all can see, I got the taper in the back. Still growing out over here. Yeah, it's looking fresh. It's looking fresh. Got the beard and everything. Hoping 2019 brings me connections for the beard. You know, we're almost full, so yeah, I'm lit. I'm lit.